Need real-time market cap, price, and OHLCV data for thousands of Solana tokens? Most API providers cap how many tokens you can track per WebSocket connection, typically limiting you to 100 tokens per stream. Today, I'm showing you Bitquery's market cap streaming. Stream all Solana tokens on-chain, or filter for thousands of specific tokens. We'll demo 20,000 tokens with market cap, supply, price, and OHLCV data in one subscription. Let's see it in action. And here's the challenge with traditional market data providers. Most services cap you at 100 tokens per WebSocket connection. Want to track thousands of tokens? You're managing dozens or hundreds of separate connections, each with its own reconnection logic, health monitoring, and per-message pricing. For token screeners, portfolio trackers, or market analytics platforms tracking thousands of assets, this architecture creates operational complexity and escalating costs. Plus, the separation of concerns puts the burden of scaling infrastructure on you, the customer. Bitquery's Market Cap API streams thousands of tokens in a single subscription. Here's the powerful part. If you remove all filters from this query, you stream every single token on Solana, all on-chain token data in one subscription. Want specific tokens? Add filters. You can filter for thousands of specific tokens by mint address, or filter by market cap thresholds, volume, or any metric you need. One subscription gives you everything: token metadata, name, symbol, mint address, market cap, and fully diluted valuation. Total supply from on-chain data, current price, and complete OHLC candles. Trading volume in US dollars. One WebSocket connection, seamless updates. Bitquery offers 3 streaming options to match your needs, all while managing the infrastructure needed to scale easily for you. WebSocket, perfect for this use case. Great filtering, easy to use, around 1-second latency. Best for dashboards and web applications. Kafka, for enterprise-grade systems needing sub-500 millisecond latency with guaranteed delivery and replay capabilities. Ideal for high-volume trading infrastructure. gRPC Corecast, ultra-low latency under 100 milliseconds. If you need to continuously update your token list on the fly, use gRPC. Also perfect for Solana MEV bots and high-frequency trading applications where every millisecond counts. All 3 support thousands of tokens. Choose based on your latency requirements and whether you need dynamic token list updates. One subscription, thousands of tokens. Market cap, price, OHLC, supply. All streaming in real time. Try it yourself in the Bitquery IDE. Link in description. It's free to test. Drop a like, subscribe for more Solana infrastructure tutorials, and let me know what you're building.